Last one, this should be the rose one that I've been missing from this collection, so let's open it up and find out. Okay, please feed the roses. Yay! All right. So yeah, confirmed. Buying an entire case gets you the entire series, but then you also get wave 1 again, which I already had, so that stinks, but I could resell those. We have some pretty roses that are pink and yellow, kind of orangish. 2 different vases that are, one's a little bit taller than the other, that look like that. They're clear. We have tweezers and the legs for the table. Just gonna dump those in there. And the resin. This one is called Rose Duo. They have 1 rose and the tall one, and then the greenery and the shorter rose and the smaller one. Should be very simple. You can trim them, then add the resin and flowers and cure. The only thing I noticed that I'm not too fond of is the hole here, the opening. It's small compared to the bottle. This is bigger. But I'm probably going to try to use the rest of my resin that came with the bird feeder. That way I can keep that other one sealed. Because there's a lot left over with the bird baths. I said bird feeder, bird baths. Did it say we're supposed to put that in the small one? I feel like that's really tall. But then if you cut it, it cuts into the branches. Just gonna take a little bit off of. Does it matter? Are these identical? I guess so. I feel like that's a good height for the taller one though. Let's see. Yeah, I feel like that's a good height that you don't even need to trim it for the tall one. But for the little one, they're saying to put this greenery and then that one. Yeah, I guess I'll cut just a tad off of this one so it sits a little lower. Just a little. I feel like that looks a little awkward, but maybe not. I guess if you hold it a certain way like that maybe and cure it so it's laying at a certain angle, it will be fine. So I have this, and I think there's a decent amount in here. It shows it on the smaller one to fill it up halfway, and then a little over halfway on this other one. So I'm going to try not to really squeeze it or squeeze it very hard, because I don't want those air bubbles in it to go on the outside of the vase, because that would be messy looking. Just gently squeezing it. But it's coming out very easily, you don't even really need to squeeze it. But this will take a hot minute, and when it's done, I'll come back so you don't have to sit here and watch me fill it for several minutes. Okay, I have them filled up, and that one is gonna look like that. I'll cure them with my UV flashlight here in a moment. That one always wants to turn out. Maybe I'll cross the stems like that. I'll probably hold it. I think I'm gonna need to hold it for, oh, there we go. I like it like that. So I'm gonna hit it with the UV flashlight, and I'll be back to show you the final product. Okay, here is the final product. I think these turned out pretty good. This one I did get a air bubble in the back here, and this one turned out fine. They're really warm. It's crazy how resin gets so hot whenever it's curing. But yeah, I think these turned out cute. Very simple build. Now that I'm done with the entire series, you'll have to let me know which one was your favorite in a comment below. And stay tuned. I do all sorts of Miniverse, mini brands, you name it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.